Hi and welcome. Today's video is going to be a little bit of a shorter video. It's covering how to do a sun salutation or Surya Namaskar. It's kind of just a short flow that you repeat over and over and over again. We'll do it 10 times today. It's something that you'll probably catch on to quite quickly, so it's something that you can kind of stick in your pocket and use any day or anytime when you'd like. It's a very popular yoga flow. You typically do it in a lot of different classes, so you may have done it before. Anyway, here we go. So you're going to start standing at the front of your mat. Feet are hip-width distance apart. Spread your toes, feel your whole body alive. And for the first one, I'll do kind of like the beginner's version or option number 1, and then after that we'll go over a little more intermediate version, and then you can kind of choose whichever works best for you and continue the 10 rounds using that one. All right, inhale, both arms reach up, look up, spread your fingers wide. Exhale to your forward fold. Knees are bent generously, belly's touching the tops of the thighs, relax your head. Inhale to halfway lift, straighten through the legs. Spine is extending from your tailbone, nice and long. Exhale back to your forward fold, plant the palms, step or hop to the back of your mat. We'll find ourselves in plank. Inhale here. Lower knees, chest, chin, down to your belly. Inhale, find a little back bend. Exhale, tucking the toes, sending your weight back, finding your downward facing dog. Look forward at your hands, hop or step towards the front of your mat, meeting in forward fold. Exhale here. Inhale, coming all the way up to standing, reaching both hands up overhead. Exhale, hands come to your heart. So that is beginners or option number 1. Here we go for option number 2. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, folding. Plant the palms. Hop to the back of your mat. Find plank. Inhale. Exhale, lower chaturanga, hugging the elbows in, nice straight line with the body. Inhale, upward facing dog, back bend. Exhale, shifting the hips up and back to your downward dog. Inhale, look forwards, hop to your hands again or to the front of your mat. Forward fold. Inhale, all the way to standing, hands overhead. Exhale, hands to your heart. So technically we've done 2. We're going to do 8 more. And as we continue, I challenge you to 1, close your eyes as you're doing it. It kind of changes the sensation. 2, allow your breath to be your guide. Instead of thinking so much about the movements, allow your breath like at the end of your exhale. Okay, now I'm ready for the next pose. When you close your eyes and kind of take your eyes off this video and just listen to my instructions, you'll understand a little bit more how that feels, and it's awesome. All right, at the front of our mats, once again, inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, folding. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, folding, plant the palms, hop or step to the back of your mat. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, look at your hands, hop forward, forward fold. Inhale, all the way up to standing. Exhale, hands to your heart. Take a moment. Here we go again. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half. Exhale, fold. Plant the palms, hop or step to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, look forward, hop or step. Forward fold. Inhale, all the way to standing, reach up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Again, inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, folding. Hop or step to the back of your mat. Plank pose. Exhale, lower. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, down dog. Look forward, hop or step. Forward fold. Inhale, all the way to standing. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold. Plant the palms, step or hop to plank. Exhale, lowering down. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Hop or step forward. Forward fold. Inhale, all the way to standing. Exhale, hands to your heart. Just a quick challenge for you, those of you who are hopping to the front and the back of your mat, try and allow your feet to land as lightly as you can. It's a little challenge and it kind of changes the sensation so you're not slamming down into the floor. Here we go. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, folding. Inhale, halfway. Exhale, fold, hands to the floor, hop or step. Inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, look forward, hop or step. Forward fold. Inhale, all the way to standing. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half. Exhale, folding. Plant the palms. Hop back. Inhale, plank. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Look forward, hop or step. Exhale, fold. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Plant the palms. Hop back. Inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Look forward. Inhale, hop forward. Exhale, fold. Full breath, rise up. Exhale, hands to your heart. Once more. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold. Plant the palms. Hop back to your plank. Inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Look forward. Inhale, hop. Exhale, fold. Full breath to standing. Exhale, hands to your heart. Take a moment, notice how you feel. Have a few deep breaths. I hope that this makes you feel energized and ready to conquer your day. Thanks so much.